Using video chat software such as Zoom can help facilitate discussion between teachers and students, or even students and students, and can remove many of the barriers traditionally associated with discussing face-to-face. Video chat software allows students to watch and take part in and archive discussions, while removing the need for you or students to travel or to make provisions for a live physical environment. In a Zoom session, for instance, students can discuss in-class subject matter assignments, class content, they can share documents or their screens, and can use shared tools like whiteboards as a way of students collaborating together in an online space. To begin using the Zoom tool, you can go to zoom.us or else zoom.us/download and download the client for meetings onto your Mac or PC machine. After you've downloaded Zoom and created an account, you'll be able to schedule and join Zoom meetings through the Zoom interface. To schedule a Zoom meeting, click into the Meetings area using the tab at the top and click on the plus button to schedule a meeting. This will ask you to give the meeting a topic, give it a date and a time, and will ask you if you want to generate a meeting ID automatically or using a personal meeting ID. When you're happy with all of the options, you can press Save, and that will create your Zoom meeting. You can send this invitation to students so that they can join the meeting through their own Zoom. Within the Zoom interface, there are a number of options available. One of the most immediate options is to check your microphone and audio setup is working correctly. This can be done by clicking on the arrow next to the microphone button in the bottom left corner, selecting a speaker and a microphone, and if possible, testing them. You can also start your video or access video settings using the video icon. Under Participants, by clicking to the arrow to the right hand side, you can access the invite to the meeting, and from here you can copy the invite link, you can copy the full invitation, or you can send the invite on directly via email. The Participants option will allow you to see who else is in the room, and the chat feature will allow you to open and close the chat window in the Zoom meeting. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to allow other individuals into the room. When other participants such as students enter the room, they will be visible in the Participants window on the right hand side. If you wish to, you can rename them, you can make them hosts or co-hosts, and you can access the button here to mute all or to determine permissions for the meeting. A key feature within Zoom is also the ability to share your screen. By clicking on the Share Screen button, you can select specific applications or areas to share. When sharing your screen, the interface will shrink down to the format seen here, and at any stage you can stop sharing by clicking on the Stop Share button. Another feature of the share screen in Zoom is the ability to share a whiteboard with students, which you can then use to draw or to add text. When you are finished, you can clear the whiteboard and exit the whiteboard area. A final useful feature within the Zoom interface is the ability to record meetings so that students or you can watch them back at a later date. To do so, you can simply click on the More option and select the Record to the Cloud option. This will provide you after the meeting is finished with a link which you can use to share with students. To conclude a meeting, you can simply click on the End Meeting button and end meeting for all.